Evelyn Champaign King.
I had you on my mind. The way we met, it all happened.
When the beat dropped in the 1970s, a new sound exploded from the roller rinks and dance floors. With it, a voice that would help define an era. Evelyn Champaign King, a powerhouse vocalist, emerged from the disco era to forge a career spanning decades. Born in the Bronx, Evelyn's journey actually took root in the heart of Philadelphia, where she was raised by her parents, Jania and Eric King. It was in the family's basement during their self-proclaimed amateur king hours where her powerful voice first began to bloom.
My parents would have people come over the house, and we had no clue who these people were. They were just on the block. And we had to perform for people on the block.
Before she added the Champagne to her name, she was simply Evelyn King, nicknamed Bubbles by her mom. At school, she described herself as a class clown, contrast to her shy demeanor. Evelyn's dreams were as diverse as her vocal range. She aspired to be everything from a comedian and actress to a DJ and singer. She even created her own imaginary radio show, WDYD, short for Why Do You Disco?
WDYD. Why do you disco?
One of 8 children, Evelyn started out in a local band, but her life and direction changed at the early age of 14. While working with her parents, cleaning the offices of the legendary Philadelphia International Records, the very home of Gamble and Huff, a casual moment turned monumental. Evelyn was singing a Sam Cooke tune completely unaware that producer Theodore T. Life was listening. He promised to make her a star.
Here's the Champagne of disco singers. Here's Evelyn Champagne King.
I don't know if it's right to let you make love to me tonight.
How old were you when I first met you?
16.
That moment exploded onto the scene in 1977 with her debut album on RCA called Smooth Talk. The album unleashed 2 signature singles that would define an era. The soulful, unforgettable I Don't Know If It's Right, all released during the height of the disco era.
I don't know if it's right to let you make love to me tonight.
The hit Shame.
Times I think I'm going insane. Still I wanna stay.
Both tracks were hits in both the United States and across the border in Canada. Evelyn continued to deliver a string of hits that became synonymous with good times. Tracks like the irresistible Love Come Down,
No sleep last night. Been dreaming of you.
the soulful Betcha She Don't Love You,
Gonna bet you, gonna bet you, gonna bet you, gonna bet you she don't love you.
and of course the infectious I'm in Love. Along with many others, cementing her legacy as an R&B and disco icon. And adding to that legacy, numerous accolades, including 3 American Music Award nominations, induction into the prestigious Dance Music Hall of Fame, and an honor from the National R&B Society. And her music continues to transcend generations, featured in film and television shows and even the popular video game Grand Theft Auto. In 1994, the R&B duo Janae paid tribute to her enduring legacy by covering Shame for the film A Low Down Dirty Shame.
I will love you anyway, even if you cannot stay.
Today, Evelyn Champaign King hasn't missed a beat. She's still captivating audiences worldwide, performing with the same youthful vigor and passion as she had when she first started. Her stage presence is electric, her voice as vibrant as ever, proving that true talent and genuine connection with fans transcend time and trends. She didn't just make music, she made memories. And she continues to make us feel the shame in the best way possible.